everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and sound, and today I'm going to discuss about how to raise confidence in our children. I believe confidence depends on three things basically. So first one is self-love. We have to teach our children about self-love. Trust me, half of your work will be done. I tell you one story, and this story is about me. So I remember I was 7 or 8 years old hardly, and there was one competition in my school in which we have to tell 10 to 15 lines on Children's Day. So my dad helped me out with the content, and on the day of selection I didn't get selected because I was not very good at speaking. But my content was very good. So my teacher has given my content to another girl who was very good with her speaking, But I was not aware of that. And next day when the competition started, when that girl started delivering her speech, I was just blank and I was like, this is my content. I was supposed to say this. I felt so bad and I started crying. I felt like, I'm good at nothing. I could not even speak my content properly. That's why the content has been given to someone else. And suddenly I saw that principal sir has come to me and he is asking me, what happened, Annie? And I just told him the whole story. Then he held me up and he took me on the stage and he said, okay, now the stage is yours. Just speak out. So when I started, first of all, I was crying. Second, I was taking too much of pause. Then I have eaten up 3-4 lines. So I was clear that it's not a good quality of a speaker. Somehow I managed and I finished the whole thing. And everyone has clapped for me just because I was crying, not because I was good at it. And I was very pretty clear about it. So I was not happy. So when I went back to home, my parents got to know about whole incident. And then my father played a very important role. What he did is he made me stand in front of mirror like this, and he used to say me, okay, now practice. And he used to also help me with the vocabulary. And I have done a lot of practice standing in front of mirror, and it's like a magic. Like suddenly I started loving myself. Suddenly I started adoring myself. And whenever I used to see myself in the mirror, and I felt like, oh wow, Annie, you're so good. So yeah, it's very important to develop that self-love. Second is what kind of environment we are giving to our kids, and especially parents, because everything starts from home first. So yeah, it's very important that what kind of environment you are creating for your child. Like, begin with how the way you speak, how you are treating them, because what you say, what you speak, it creates a very strong impact on child. So you have to keep in your mind is never criticize your child. Never compare them with any other children, because you have to remember this, that everyone has their own individuality and every child is a special. You need to find the best quality in your child, and also it's important to develop a good relationship with your child and communicate with them and be a good listener. It's very important to be a good listener, because in early childhood kids wants attention, and if they want to say something to you and you're just ignoring them, it will create a very wrong impact on them and negative impact on them. So never do that. Get some time and spend that quality time with them and listen to them. That's the only thing. Listen to them what they want to say and think according to their perspective, not yours. And third one will be empower your child to make their own decision. So this is also one of the most important thing. So some of parents, what they do, they feel like their kids are their property, and then they create so many boundaries for them. So first of all, you should set them free. Let them explore this world. Let them interact with the people around you, like neighbors, relatives, and make them socialize as much as it is possible. And that's how the more people they will interact with, the more confident they will build from inside. And always help your child to build them up. All they need is love and care. That's all. Tell them why you feel that they are important in your life. Tell them why you think that they are best. So yeah, I think these 3 points are the main thing we should focus on raising their confidence level. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you think this video is valuable, so please share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like and comment, and thank you for watching.